Ja, just look. Oh, kunt het slimmer.
Kalisto.
Am itu je express masal. Dari lo kunt het slimmer. Dari lo masalah. Wow. Oh, baik.
Ya, ni anda pina katale. Na barang cukup mai kita nganti cinggoy na ulni benua Maunakea. Onang kay ngoli ta ke, onang kali barta katale na bindelana. Cinggoy ra. Maunaloa. Kona benua ni Bandindike, berto na University of Hawaii, na Department of Astronomy. Vida na matintu na biasa pura-pura era lakumika na matamba ni Bandindike na buku ni na Lomalange ya keto kalungat di keto sampai minggu ni sampai cukup minggu keto tukun maybe keto reba sarangan na tini na maile nando na yawa mi keton rebe saranga ba malua na nitungo le dakichingo lebungan na lori ke mi sotabatar na lori na tambana ni Bandindike to na Astronomy Department and matintu Amerika lebutal chunga na matintu Chile may South America o India China, Japani, era ngolital ngamay na tambanan ni Bandindike ko Maunakea kita sa ngoli meyan nangon sala sing ngo sangon salang gernger o klani nang kay bolak mbeka ni rak sa nang kay biso tal mbeka na ngon sala bubakasar cunga nang sala mbeka may nangol da kanibay na mosi sana dolo imba sana ngon sal mbeka ni ay nantari batu iya ambul sarchukan bikim di kede ambulo soweri wenise Maria nger tambua iya satu kuning kami miketo nrebe ngabak malua kita nanumongan mikito ngole mai ni se dil kata-kata ni singa batin sana toso na ngaw sa bakame batambata bisa totolo na batambata ni ninraki gona Maunakea Natural Area Reserve, so it's a national park Iyo, mga pamatal takchukan ni Luya, sa ngal sarmike na tin kaviwa Diyos ang bulkatul. Kato sendonia may na ngona ni katakata Iyo, ang pala tini ngona ni Liliwa. Ito bunga na ngona uda de bata. Na uli pa na may itay. Ya say Maunaloa. Rotuka na uli bono lelevu I Hawaii, Mauna Loa. Na uno kitawa watu kina bi mamani au miraya satu telenira iya kito dhambe tak serangango na ndelana idak kalau ngatago ni sembobe sember nindo na o ngole mai kito nanu memi kito semai sar-sararao ni sember ni bisau nanraki nakabale wikem ni na sar-sar ti kumai bambul sarcangan wikem ni boleh binakan daku Simeone so na ponongo anta may tanto rongo ta tumbeka nga na sarap tumbeka na retyo yalo senda wili kumbeka na do na magazine yango kito sa may sarsar na ulni banongo Maunakea na bonongo bibala ta kichiko na ambak sa oti me da mingo na non resang di binakata na tokin di banua Hawaii me takaike me tarike ndo talen na telescope total na telescope me tolsanga bulna mita na Canavere kwa dan chukina na 30-meter telescope here to all my students from University of Auckland. This was a case study that we all studied together. Yeah, we studied about Maunakea in University of Auckland as part of our debate within our class. So I'm very fortunate to be here today and to take my family up to the mountain itself to be able to see for ourselves what Maunakea is all about. It's a beautiful place. It's a wonderful creation of our Almighty Father, so we're very blessed that we're able to witness this day, the 9th of June here in Hawaii or in the US, for us to be able to visit this mountain here. Bulbinaka Mrs. Salote na walo bulbinaka nanguweka. So though you can start to see the changes in vegetation. So we hardly see any trees up here, no trees at all. So there's a couple of four-wheel drives. Some are visitors, while some are researchers. Some are astronomers. Some are from the University of Hawaii Hilo, doing their research up here in Maunakea. Yeah, it's for me it's like going back in time 27 years ago when I came with Jim Mellon. Jim Mellon is still the director for our international studies program here at UH Hilo. So Jim, if you're watching, I'm following our footsteps that you took us confidently in 1993 when I was an exchange student from Fiji. I was very fortunate to be chosen from USP in order to be here as a student and bring a piece of Fiji to share with the students here in Hawaii. I still have good friends from that time that I still talk to today. So I want to say aloha to Rores Eritai. Rores is from Kiribati. She was my roommate. Bulibinaka Rores, if you're watching this video, I remember you came with us too. And also Josie Howard. Josie is from the island of Chuuk in Micronesia. So we're very, very fortunate that we were able to come and study here in Hawaii. And now we're able to give back to our communities that supported us at that time. So vinakavalevu to everyone logging in and watching this video. And I reach up there. Ulibina karebangu winwai Leila. Yeah, when I reach the top, then I'll do the view. So this is Revangu. We're going up to Mount Voma. So Mount Voma, here we come. So we're going up. We took the challenge this morning. We've been planning to come to Maunakea for a number of days and even weeks and months. But this morning we all decided to take the plunge and say, all right, let's do it. Let's go. So this is a wonderful opportunity to be able to visit this place. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity, eh? Yeah, Revang Wuniwai. Yeah, Mount Voma. So I hope we can write a letter and put it up here in this mountain, and hopefully we can welcome anyone from Namosi to visit us or follow our footsteps and to come and visit Maunakea. Yeah, so to our Fijian speakers, the word Mauna, that's Hawaiian for mountain, eh? Mauna.
Maori.
As well as Maori. I think it's a Polynesian word.
Maunga.
Yeah, Maunga. Yeah, that's right. Maori, they say Maunga.
Namosi is mountain.
So Kali said Namosi is mountain, and Kandavu Saruchiketo now Ului Nambukelevu. So here we're going to Ului Nambukelevu in Kandavu.
Mount Washington.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful day. You can see the clouds down there. You're interested in nature, you can start to see the changes in vegetation. And here it's hardly any vegetation. See the changes? It's just purely just rocks. Yeah? Shandiva. Hi. Shandiva. Thank you for watching. Sorry, and Hilo and Uncle Kali.
Bola Shandiva. Yorana.
Yes. So up here, just to show you, officially there are no trees at all. No trees, no more, and not even a little piece of grass. Yeah, maybe there's a few. Sorry, a few tuft of grass, but you can hardly see it. It's very brown and very dry. Eh? Yeah. So while before we came up, the guide down below asked us if we were fit enough to come here, because they said that due to the changes in elevation, some people may feel nauseous. They can suffer from headaches. See over there, that's all rocks, and these are all parts of the mountains. Yeah? All volcanoes. Yes, and we just found out that there is a cook. Okay, maybe just watch me for a few minutes. Yeah, we just been told that there's a cook here who works in the mountains, and he's from Fiji. And he's a gentleman that we met, and he said that he is amazing cook. We all are amazing cooks. very blessed to know that a Fijian chef works in Maunakea and is cooking yummy food and is making all the people safe because they're eating. And thanks to Fiji. Yeah. It's not a place to look for food. And now, well, Dad, if you can go a bit slow, just show them the mountain. Hold on. Maybe just go slow. Okay. Pula to masimba salawa. Just want to show you this mountain here. So you can see the reddish color. Yeah, so there's no vegetation. Yes, Wunwai. So Tomasimba Salawa, you can see here the changes in vegetation. There's just little tufts of grass. So sorry, I said before that there's vegetation. Sorry, that wasn't the truth. There's little bit of vegetation. No animals here, Luis Romba. No animals. Maybe insects or kanji or little ants, but no animals. Yeah, so I just thought I'd share with you. So starting to see this is an off-road, and that's a sign. Maunakea Ice Age. Wow. Maunakea Ice Age. So this mountain actually goes back millions and millions of years. Boleh binaka Uncle Colin. Bisa. Iyo. Kita pun searching ko na ul ni panua. Nakavale mo. Kato sa atin bichong ko na mosi. Iya. Uncle Colin. Oh, okay, yeah, right? Okay, SEO send here. Sandon, so maybe I'll stop now, and then I will do another live when we reach the mountain, at the top. Nakavalevu until my next live. Nakavalevu, Modimanda.